Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Kris.
Kris, very good. Kris, how old are you?
I'm 6.
Yes, 6. Okay. Now, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Good job. And how are you today?
I'm happy.
Good job. Give me a high five. 2 high fives. Yes, very good. Now, are you ready for the test?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Okay. Now, Kris, can you tell me what is this?
It has.
Good job. Now, can you tell me what is this?
It has.
Head. Good job. Now, can you tell me what is this?
It I.
It and.
It and I.
Very good job. Can you tell me what are they?
They are ear.
Good job. Can you tell me what is this?
It no.
Good job. Can you tell me what is this?
It a tooth. It mouth.
It's a.
It a mouth.
Very good job. Now, can you tell me what is this?
It a tooth.
Very good job, Kris. Now,
They are teeth.
yes, very good job. Now, can you tell me what are they?
They are shoulder.
Good job. Can you tell me what are they?
They are
Arms.
arms.
Very good job. Now, can you tell me what are they?
They are hands.
Good job. And what about these?
They are fingers.
Good job. Now, can you tell me what are they?
They are knee.
Are these? They are
Leg.
legs. Very good job. Good job, Kris. Can you tell me what are they?
They are knee.
Good job. What are they?
They are foot.
Feet.
Feet.
Okay, because we have 2. Now, can you tell me what are they?
They are toes.
Toes. Very good job. Now, listen here, Kris. How many shoulders do you have?
I have got 2 shoulders.
Good job. How many ears do you have?
I have got 2 ears.
Good job. And how many noses do you have?
I have got 1 nose.
Great. Now, how many knees do you have?
I have got 2 knees.
Good job, Kris. Now, how many fingers do you have?
I have got 10 fingers.
Great. And the last one is, how many toes do you have?
I have got 10 toes.
Very good job. Give me 2 high fives, Kris. Yes. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.